Hi, today is a pretty good day to talk about smart point of sale devices and explain why they are smart. For today, I've got this beautiful example of Android-based smart point of sale device, a docking station for it or charging station, and pin and signature pad for it. The device itself, it's not just a point of sale device or just a tool to accept payments, it's much more. It's because this device could accept all card payments types, like contactless payments, swipe payments, and also chip and pin payments for this exact machine. And this is a very basic functionality for its major feature to accept card payments. But moreover, this machine, this smart point of sale device, it has a camera and it's possible to scan QR or barcodes when a cashier sells something. Moreover, the machine has a connectivity to Wi-Fi and it has dual SIM cards. Let me show you. So, yeah, we can install here SIM card, and the second one is here, just to keep the connectivity very stable and keep the machine always up and running. Moreover, the machine itself has a printer for receipts, and this is a very high-speed printer to print receipts as well as just slips for your card transaction. The machine has a full-day battery. It means it's possible to use by a normal cashier at a standard brick-and-mortar shop, or it's possible to carry on the device with yourself if you are a courier or a solopreneur and you're servicing people in the neighboring areas. Another piece of beauty for the device, it has a GPS module inside. It means we can remotely to lock or to restrict the machine to work within a certain area. Let's say if you could sell the machine to a merchant in Dubai, it's restricted by the law to take the machine to Iraq or Iran and accept card payments there. It's because it's like geographic restrictions. We can remotely lock the machine and prevent breaking the law by accepting payments in another region. You could mention that the machine has a camera on the front of it. It means we can easily apply facial recognition, not payments. For the future facial recognition payments, we've got this back camera, but also through this front camera we can apply a facial recognition authorization for your employees and staff members. Again, I mentioned a couple of times already, we could embed a fingerprint scanner on every machine we produce, and again we can accept payments with fingerprint authorization, or we can just simply authorize your employee with their fingerprint if you need it. Another option for some of these machines, we can add a physical memory drive. Especially it could be applied for Italian market or for Bulgarian market or for Polish market, for those countries where fiscal taxation is an obligation for merchant businesses. This is the exact space for the module for physical memory drive. Moreover, we've got these beautiful accessories for the machine itself. We can add a docking station. It also provides charging, and it also has a like a mirroring camera to present your QR code, especially for QR payments or for the rest of the features. And also it's like a charger, and it's a useful thing to store your machine during a day, especially when you're a grocery shop, etc. And for more secured payments, we've got a PIN pad and a signature pad. For those payments, we could provide with this add-on and accessory, and you can add it to your bank branch or next to your cashier for contactless payment acceptance, and also for entering your PIN or saying you're providing your signature here. That's why the machine, it's not just a payment acceptance tool. The machine itself called Smart because it's Android based, and it's possible to do much more things. In the next video I'll explain you a feature how to integrate the machine with a till system or cash register to get them integrated and avoid mistakes. The machine itself, it's sort of a combination of a card machine to accept payments and cash register, because even you could accept card payments or register your cash transactions and print the same receipts, and all of these data will go to a single merchant portal, merchant dashboard. Includes a fiscal system and an opportunity for yourself as a business owner to manage what have you sold today, and in regards to all locations belongs to you. That's why the smart point of sale machine is much more advanced solution compared to a normal standard simple feature card machine with buttons. Join the community, join the smart POS terminals.